Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share with you a little project I've been working on. And this building is Santa's office. We already know what Santa's workshop looks like and everything, but this is Santa's office. So I used the Tim Holtz bricks folder to make the bricks. Then I used a little distress ink. I used some stickles. I used some snow, grit paste snow, and I added some windows and some doors and some snow, Rudolph and all those guys. That's the side of the side. I used three of Tim Holtz's boxes to make the sides. So you can see the sides. Out front of the house is the elf who's putting away the sleighs, cleaning up the sleigh, getting it ready. There's the two deer. They're on the front door. You can see the front door has a little ice on it. There's the lantern. There's a little dog peeking outside. There's a little welcome sign there. Let me see if I can get up a little bit. Because this one's going to be hard for me to film, so I'm hoping you can enjoy it. And then there's a dog putting stuff in a mailbox. There's that window over there, and it says Joy. And it has a bit of a window, a window there and snow on top. That's the front door. In the front window, you can see the snow. If I go over to this side where Rudolph and those guys are, they're supposed to be in the barn, but Rudolph doesn't pay attention to anybody. He just hangs out wherever he feels like it. And so that's the window there. And that side says peace. And there's a little cat in the window. Hold on for a second and I'll take you inside. So this is the inside of Santa's office. When he's finished with Christmas and everything like that, or just before Christmas, he goes to his office. As Tim Holtz would say, tiny lights for the win. Stringing in those tiny lights was a little hard for me, but I got them in. Santa has two easy chairs. He's resting, and he's gonna rest and read his Stephen King novel, have a cup of coffee and some cakes. He has some things down there. Santa likes to collect different kinds of objects in his office. He has a few packages, and he's finished this Nicholas Spark book. There's his books, his little jars on the side. He has his fishing pole, and in here, there's a carriage, cash register, slot machine. He has his typewriter. Mrs. Santa baked him some biscuits. There's an owl. He has his candle on. There's this little box of tools and some wood because he likes to work with wood. There's this fireplace. I was going to put some fire in there, but they had the hardest time getting it in there, right? So I think I'm going to leave that out. There's this globe so he can tell where he's supposed to go. There's another easy chair in case Mrs. Claus wants to join him. There's his scale to weigh things. There's his undersea mask. Up above there, he has a ferry. He has a balloon hanging. He has a fish. And this is his curious things that he puts in his little cupboards. So, tell me what you think of Santa's office when he's not out delivering his packages for kids. So this is what I've been working on. Came out pretty good, I must admit. I like it. Tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.